Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of logout on Netflix. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search for Netflix app. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that you will click on Play Store. You will search for Netflix app and you will move to this application to update your app if you as you see here on update. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.